wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best composting toilets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Completely waterless and suitable for all sorts of off-grid applications, the Sonmark Cell is a self-contained, space-saving approach to reducing your environmental impact wherever you roam without sacrificing one of the most basic comforts of home. It has a minimal footprint for tight quarters and includes a venting kit, but it must be emptied frequently. At number 8, featuring a variable diameter drum with a rotating handle to tumble the contents and hasten the process of turning waste into reusable biomatter, the Sonmark Compact is an eco-friendly alternative to sending all that good fertilizer off to the septic tank or sewer system. It comes with a detachable footrest and runs on standard household current. However, the ventilation fan is noisy. Coming in at number 7 on our list. If your idea of roughing it doesn't necessarily extend to squatting out in the open and wiping with the least irritating leaves you can find, try the Reliance Hassock, a reasonable facsimile of the facilities at home, including a removable seat and lid with a tissue holder. It's lightweight and comfortable and designed for camping and boating. Note that double duty bags are sold separately. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for composting toilets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, designed to emulate the flushable apparatus to which we're accustomed in every possible way, the Nature's Head works just as well on a sailing vessel as it does in the master bathroom at home, offering a comfortable place to go whenever and wherever it's needed. It's equipped with a crank agitator for faster processing and keeps liquids and solids apart. It's user-friendly and easy to install. Moving up our list to number 5. One of the most utilitarian and portable alternatives to modern plumbing is the Reliance Luggable Loo, a contemporary spin on the old slop bucket, complete with seat, cover, liner bags, and an easy-to-use poo powder to help break down solids and keep odors in check. It includes a reusable 5-gallon container and is a very budget-friendly option, but it is quite aesthetically challenged. At number 4, designed for compatibility with centralized operations, the Sonmark Dry is the way to go for a new installation or complete overhaul of your bathroom facilities. It can also be adapted for marine and RV use, or in conjunction with holding tanks or septic systems. This one works with Centrex waterless kits and features a bowl liner for easy cleaning and a durable fiberglass construction. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the cleanwaste Go Anywhere offers a no-fuss design that folds down to briefcase size for easy storage and transport. 3 built-in locking legs provide a stable seat on uneven terrain, and each kit includes all the essentials for camping trips or emergency use. It's a great idea for RVs and comes with the standard commode height. It's sturdy enough for up to 500 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for composting toilets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ACDC Convertible Separett Villa is a handy solution for use in RVs, tiny homes, and other situations in which the type of power source may change from time to time. Compartmentalized collection and an energy-efficient ventilation system help keep odors to a minimum. It boasts a urine-diverting configuration, compostable liner bags for solids, and a 5-gallon receptacle capacity. And coming in at number 1 on our list, compact and versatile enough for installation in anything from a camper van or houseboat to your home's guest accommodations, the Nature's Head Close Quarters is the ultimate in eco-friendly human waste management, designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. It includes a vent hose and fan and a low-profile spider-type handle. It dismantles in seconds for emptying. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for composting toilets, or simply click beneath this video.